How's it going? James, OnlineCarShow.net. Well, in this video, we're going to be reviewing Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. So without hesitation, let's go ahead and get this video started. Well, I've had a couple of viewers reach out to me recently here on Instagram, asking if I was okay and whatnot with the virus going around and all that. And I just hadn't felt like posting a video. You see so much negative news and all that. I hadn't been really in the mood to do a video. And I also want to let y'all know I'm not going to be posting any coronavirus videos on this channel. This will probably be the only time you hear me talk about it, hopefully. If you're like me, you're getting overwhelmed with news about the virus, and I think all of us just need a little escape. So hopefully I can provide a little bit of that to y'all in the upcoming weeks as we're dealing with this crisis. But to get back to the video at hand and some of the upcoming content, I guess, with the channel, there aren't really any events, of course, planned here in the near future. Unfortunately, all the car shows that I had on my schedule have been canceled or postponed to a later date. So I don't really have any events upcoming. I'm going to try to provide y'all with the most content I can, just around the house, maybe how I clean the car, give y'all some driving footage, some reviews of some of the mods that are already on the vehicle in the upcoming future, so be looking for that. And I also skipped this month's Petrolbox for the first time in a long time, just because I haven't provided y'all with a whole lot of videos, and I don't want to provide Petrolbox after Petrolbox video and overwhelm y'all with it. So what I've done instead, and for those that don't know, Petrolbox is a monthly subscription box. Basically, you pay them a monthly fee, and they send you a Petrolbox, which is a car enthusiast mystery box in your mailbox every month. They have different sizes, different options, and I've really enjoyed the box. I've been a member of their service for almost 2 years now total, and really love the diversity they put in their boxes to meet all car enthusiast genres. So go check them out. mypetrolbox.com is, I think, their website, and you can use code OCS. I think it's check the description. I'll have to verify. I think it's OCS 10, but check in the description of this video and I'll put the actual code so y'all can get a discount when you're purchasing your Petrolbox, or at least the first one. But anyways, they send out stuff, and a lot of the times, I would say 95% of the time, you're going to get some kind of car detailing product, or 90% of the time, and they use some really good brands. As y'all know, I'm sponsored by Rev Auto, which is a great car care product brand. Nothing against them, but I leave my channel open to reviews from everybody and give you honest opinions from all the vendors. Adams is another company I use a lot for products that Rev Auto doesn't supply. And some of the other products I've seen in the Petrolbox, Jack's Wax, Chemical Brothers, I think I've seen, or Chemical Guys, I think I've seen some of their products in there. And they've had 3 or 4 different brands. So you get a wide range of products, and some of the stuff I found are real gems that they put inside their box that you may not even know about this product or how to use it. And once you start researching it, you're like, wow, I should have been using this on my car the entire time, is what I'm finding. So it's a great deal. For those that aren't familiar with Petrolbox, go check them out. But last month, if y'all watched my unboxing, there's a thing of Adams Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner inside there, as well as a little brush that you can attach to a cordless drill. I'll give you all close up what the brush looks like. And you can get these probably on Amazon and whatnot, fairly cheap, I would think. I'll put a link to one that I found that I recommend in the description on Amazon. I wouldn't think they'd be too terribly much. And here's the actual Adams car care stuff. You can see here, carpet and upholstery cleaner. And from what I could tell of this, you can use the brush here in combination with the cleaner to really, you know, clean out your floor mats and stuff like that. And this came in perfect timing because I spilled coffee all over the floor mats of the Focus and the carpet in there. So we're going to use this opportunity to clean up the Focus and give the product a test. So I'm going to go ahead and walk y'all through the steps next, and we can give this an honest review. Before we dive too deep in that though, I want to remind y'all, please hit that like and subscribe below. Helps my videos and helps my channels to grow, and I can't say thank you enough. All right, well, got the vacuuming all done there, decent enough. Hoping y'all can, yeah, this stain showing up there. As y'all can see, we've got a stain going across here. We've got one right there, and we've got some staining over here that I got to deal with. The driver's side one isn't too bad. It's just the passenger side. Thank you, wife. But anyways, we're going to try to just clean up this one and focus on the passenger side just for a review. So first step according to this, vacuum or blow interior. Okay, we've already done that. Liberally spray onto solid areas. Well, for this step, then I went ahead and read ahead. We're going to need a dry towel to wipe it off afterward, and I went ahead and put the brush, mounted it on the cordless drill. So we are ready to go there. It said to spray liberally on the surface. We're going to put it on wide. Doesn't say anything about waiting any time period or anything. It just says go ahead, next step, and agitate with the brush. So here we go. Try to hold this thing down. Ooh, it helps if I get this on a better setting. Go ahead and put it right there. Might be a good idea to clamp this down. So let's go ahead and wipe her off. Probably be a good idea to let this dry for a good 24 hours or so, maybe out of the car. If it's in the car that you're working with, you might just let it dry for a good time period. It looks like this is going to leave some wet soap on it. And the other thing you could do, I don't think it said on there, but is to vacuum it afterward to help get rid of some of the moisture. Wow, no more stains though. Let y'all have a look at the after, and I'll go ahead and show a clip of the before in here too, slip it in. There's the after. I don't see the stains anymore. So it did a great job. And before I could even feel the stains, where it kind of hardened with dirt in there, and it took it out. Clean, just almost like new, except for the wear. There you have it. Adam's Carpet Cleaner and Upholstery. Does work. Did a great job. Well, there you have it, folks. I think Adam's Carpet Upholstery Cleaner, it's another Adams product that did a great job. I wasn't expecting it to honestly take him out like it did, but it literally took off all the stain that I can see and cleaned it up very nicely. Some of the coloring's back. Just to show This one's just been vacuumed. This is with the carpet cleaner. So you can see even the coloring is different afterward. Adams does a knockout job. I've never had an issue with their products. I know they're not a sponsor of mine, and I've got a car care sponsor, but I'm honest, and you know, you guys are my true customers. But anyways, you know, Rev Auto is one of my sponsors, so the fact that I'm saying Adam's doing a great job, you know, it had to be true. They don't pay me any money. They don't sponsor my site in any fashion or form. I don't get it. I don't even get a discount on Adam. So there you have it. True unbiased opinion. Did an excellent job. I'm going to let these dry for a good 24 hours and then put them back in the Focus and clean them up real nice. But that's all I have for y'all for this week. Believe we got a ceramic coating spray in this month's Petrolbox, so I may go and try to come up with some kind of experiment we can use to test it on the Corvette or the Focus, one of the two. But I hope everybody stays well and safe. I hope you all have a great week. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe below if you haven't done so already. And thank you so much.